Welcome to Computer Bits Daily. Here we will learn how to write a C program to print numbers from 1 to n without using semicolon. Before we look at solution, we will look at a few concepts that will help us to create our solution. So let's learn it. The C preprocessor is simply a text replacement tool that tells the compiler to perform necessary pre-processing prior to compilation. A hash symbol precedes all preprocessor commands. Preprocessor define is used in our solution, which is used to declare constant values that will be used throughout your code. The function which calls itself is called recursive function. Recursion is used to solve different problems by dividing them into smaller problems. Command line arguments in C. When your C programs are executed, you can send some values from the command line to them. These values are referred to as command line arguments. These arguments are handled by main function. Syntax: integer main, int argc, character argv. Here argc counts the number of arguments and argv contains the total number of arguments. Let's create solution of the given problem. This is the time to test yourself. Question number 1. Select right option about argc. Option 1. Argc contains the total number of arguments. Option number 2. Argc counts the number of arguments. Option number 3. argc is preprocessor. Option number 4. argc is of k data type. Select right answer. And the answer is argc counts the number of arguments. Did you find this helpful? Then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for new awesome videos. Thank you for learning with Computer Bits Daily. Keep learning, keep sharing, stay safe.